Ace the gig, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, ace the gig. This is a popular phrase in English, especially in professional contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase. The word ace in English is used as a verb meaning to excel or do something very well. It originates from the term ace in card games, where it usually represents the highest value. In everyday English, when someone says they aced something, it means they achieved an outstanding success or a high score. Now, let's look at the word gig. Traditionally, a gig referred to a live performance by a musician or band. However, its use has expanded over time. Today, gig can refer to any job or task, especially those that are short-term or freelance in nature. It's a very common term in the modern work environment, particularly in the creative and tech industries. When we combine these two words, ace the gig essentially means to perform exceptionally well in a task or job, especially in a situation that might be temporary or on a trial basis. This phrase is often used to encourage someone to do their best in a new job, a presentation, or any important task. Let's see some examples of how ace the gig can be used in sentences. I have a big presentation tomorrow. I need to ace the gig to impress my boss. You're going to ace the gig. You've prepared so well for this interview. She aced the gig and got offered a full-time position. That's all about ace the gig. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's all about excelling in what you do, no matter how big or small the task. Keep practicing, and you'll ace your English learning gig too. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.